हाय दिस इज़ ऑस्ट्रेटर और आज की वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस पे। तो जो शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस हैं उन पे हम बात करेंगे फर्स्ट चैप्टर के। फिज़िक्स का जो फर्स्ट चैप्टर है उसके जो शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस हैं उनके बारे में देखेंगे। तो यह हमारे पास जो शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन है फिज़िक्स के फर्स्ट चैप्टर का, उसमें है कि नेम सेवरल रेपिटेटिव phenomena occurring in nature which could serve as reasonable time standard। तो हमने उन चीज़ों के बारे में जो कि कुदरत में नेचर में हो रही हैं, तो उनको हमने बताना है कि वो कौन सी ऐसी कुदरत में होने वाली चीज़ें हैं जो कि टाइम स्टैंडर्ड के मुताबिक है। एनी नेचुरल फिनोमिना दैट रिपीट्स इटसेल्फ आफ्टर exactly same time interval can be used as a measure of time. The repetitive phenomena could serve as reasonable time standard occurring in nature are as follow। सो वो कह रहा है कि जो टाइम स्टैंडर्ड है, जिनका टाइम है, क्या कुदरत में कोई ऐसी चीज़ें हो रही हैं जो टाइम पे हो रही हैं। तो जी हाँ, यहाँ पे आप देखें सन है हमारे पास। सन सर्व्ड as reasonable time standard because sunset and sunrises gives the information of time। then हमारे पास मून है, ठीक है। आप इनके अकेले नेम भी लिख सकते हैं। मून इज़ आल्सो reasonable time standard because it gives the information of time। अब अभी वेदर जो है ये क्या है, चेंजिंग ऑफ वेदर कैन आल्सो गिव इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट टाइम। तो ये देखिए कि ये सारी चीज़ें टाइम के तौर पे भी इस्तेमाल हो रही हैं। रोटेशन ऑफ अर्थ ऑन इट्स एक्सिस, रोटेशन ऑफ अर्थ अराउंड द सन, ओसिलेशन ऑफ ए सिंपल पेंडुलम। सो अभी नेक्स्ट अगर हम सेकंड क्वेश्चन की बात करें, तो जो सेकंड क्वेश्चन हमारे पास आता है वो है कि गिव ड्रॉबैक टू यूज़ द पीरियड ऑफ ए पेंडुलम एज अ टाइम स्टैंडर्ड। टाइम स्टैंडर्ड के तौर पे जो टाइम पीरियड है वो हमने यूज़ करना है। एज वी नो दैट द टाइम पीरियड ऑफ ए सिंपल पेंडुलम डिपेंड्स अपॉन द लेंथ एंड वैल्यू ऑफ जी एट एनी प्लेस। सिंस time period is equal to 2 pi L over G under root, it is clear that time period of a simple pendulum depends upon the value of G, which is different at different places. So a pendulum of same length may have different time period at different places. So period of pendulum cannot be taken as standard for measuring time. Next we have friction. Time period of a simple pendulum changes due to air resistance. Temperature. In summer, due to increase in temperature, length of simple pendulum changes, so time period changes. Third question we have, why do we find it useful to have two units for the amount of substance, the kilogram and the mole? It is very useful to have two units for the amount of substance, for example kilogram and mole. If we want to consider a specific amount of mass without considering number of microscopic atoms present in it, it is useful to use kilogram, because 1 kilogram of different substances contains different number of molecules, while if we want to consider a fixed number of atoms present in it, then it is useful to use mole, because 1 mole of any substance contains the same number of atoms or molecules. Fourth question. 3 students measure the length of a needle with a scale on which minimum division is 1 millimeter and recorded as 0.2145 millimeter. Okay, which record is correct and why? In these records 0.214 meter is more correct than other records because the least count of a scale is 1 millimeter, which can be written as 0.001 millimeter. So according to this figure, the student measured that type of record is correct. Fifth हमारे पास है an old saying is that a chain is only as strong as its weakest link. What analog statement can you make regarding experimental data used in computation? The analogous statement regarding experimental data used in computation. A result obtained from the experimental data used in computation is only as accurate as its least accurate reading. The time period of simple pendulum is measured by a stopwatch. What type of errors are possible in the time period? When the period of a simple pendulum is measured by a stopwatch, the following types of errors are possible. First we have systematic error, and the second we have personal error. Systematic error, the error due to the fault in the measuring instrument, is called systematic error, and this could be zero error. The error due to the faulty procedure of an observer is called personal error, and it's just happened because of us by human. Does dimensional analysis give any information on constant of proportionality that may appear in an algebraic expression? Explain. Dimensional analysis doesn't give any information about the constant of proportionality or dimensionless constant. For example, v is equal to constant and is multiplied by e over p under root. The numerical value of this constant cannot be determined by dimensional analysis. Question number 8. Write the dimension of pressure, density, dimensions of pressure. First of all, we have dimensions of pressure. P is equal to F over A. F is equal to MA over A. Units of P is equal to kg meter per second. 2 over meter 2 is equal to kg m negative s minus 2. So dimension of pressure is equal to ml t. Dimension of density is equal to mass over volume. Unit of density is kg over m3. kg m negative 3. This is we have answer. Next we have a dimension for the density, ml minus 3. Question number 9. The wavelength of a wave depends on the speed of the wave and its frequency f. So here you can see we have wavelength is equal to L, means length and speed, lt minus 1, and f is equal to t minus 1. Decide which of the following is correct. So we have to decide which is correct. You can note it as yourself. Here you can see first we have dimension for L. Okay, next we have f is equal to v, wavelength. So guys, next we have problems, and we're gonna make it in the next video. So gonna see you in the next video. Goodbye for now.